Hi everyone, it's Frances again from York County Library here in South Carolina. I'm here to do another Lego tutorial for you. This one is for a little train. So let's get started. And here are our parts. We have a gray 2x6 plate, 3 black 2x2 plates modified with these little axles to hold wheels, 6 gray wheels. Then we have 2 bright blue headlights, a 2x2 bright blue brick, 2 1x2 inverted roof tiles or slopes, and a bright blue slope inverted 45-degree 4x2 double. In dark blue, we have 2 1x2 slopes or roof tiles, 2 1x1 bricks, 1 2x2 brick, and 1 2x2 brick modified with a slope. Then we have 2 bright blue 2x3 plates, 2 translucent yellow 1x2 bricks, and 1 clear translucent 1x2 brick. We have a 2x3 dark blue plate, a yellow cone, a gray radar, and a light blue 2x2 round tile with a stud, and a 1x2 slope. So let's begin. First, take the 2x6 gray plate, turn it over, and we're going to take the 2x2 modified black plates and put them on like so. Now we are ready to put on the wheels. There are 6 of them, 3 on each side. And there we have the base of our train. Then we're going to take the 2 bright blue headlights. And we're going to put them at this is going to be the front of the train, like so. Then we're going to put the 2x2 bright blue brick right behind, like so. Then take one of the 1x2 inverted bright blue bricks and you're going to put it upside down like that. Do the same with the other one. Then we're going to take this little bit more complicated piece and we're going to put it like that. So this is what you have so far. Now we're going to take the 2x2 brick modified with the slope that goes on the front. We're going to put the 2x2 dark blue brick right behind. Then we're going to take the 1x2 dark blue brick. We're going to put one on each side of the 2x2 dark blue brick, like so. Then you're going to take one of the 1x2 slopes, one on each side, like so. Now, going to take a clear yellow brick, put it there. I'm going to put the clear 1x2 brick in the middle, and the other yellow one goes on the other side. We're going to take the 2x3 bright blue plates, put one on top like that, and one on the other side. Take the yellow cone, put it right there. Then take the 2x3 dark blue plate, put the light blue round tile with the stud, like that. I'm going to take the gray radar, we can pick it up, and we're going to put that on top of the light blue round tile. And then we're going to take the 1x4 slope, put it right below. That's the cow catcher. the old-timey days, trains would have a thing like that to push the cows off the tracks if they were in the way. And there you have it, a little blue train. Have fun. See you again next week.